So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in. So let's get right to this. What is probably the most universal drone deliverable out there today that you can create with your drone? Well, it's simple. It's a single photo. So way back 2014, we picked up one of the early drones out there. It was one of the DJIs. Didn't have a camera built in or anything, but we did have a GoPro to mount to it. Now we'd put that drone up into the air. We'd have the GoPro taking photos every so many seconds, and then when we landed the drone, we could offload the GoPro and get our still images or get our video if we set up video for it as well. Now that's way back when we didn't have the onboard cameras, but here we are today in 2025, and I think probably for all drones out there, it's universal. There is some kind of camera on there. Now, I hear from folks about the work that I do regularly. We're doing construction progression work, so we do maps, we do models, we do video, we do time lapse, we do still images, because once again, it is a flying camera. And with those still images, we're still able to tell a story of where this photo that we're looking at right now, where it is in its life cycle. So things have just been kind of mowed down. They're still flattening things out. We've got the granite dells off in the distance, promising some amazing views from the area. And with this one image, we get a really good feel for this particular job site. So you do not have to be doing progression reporting all the time. You're not required to do video. You don't have to do 3D models or 2D orthomosaics. What you need to do is have a conversation with the clients that you're working for on what they want to present and how they want to present it. So this flight here, February 2025, was not a flight where we were setting up before and afters yet. We were just actually flying the area to show what's happened. Now, since this point in time in February, things had slowed down for a bit as some administrative things come up. But we're back to starting into this, so we will be doing some mapping and modeling and everything. But these images still have value, so don't write yourself off. Say, oh well, I can't do any of this without the highest end drone, the best video on it, the best construction modeling on it. We've got the Mavic 3E here, which is an enterprise drone. But we could still take that single image, and down the road we could take that video and other things as well. So I'm just going to hit the G key here. We're going to scroll down just to take another look from the other side, same location, but this was taken on July 28th, 2025. Like I said, things slowed down for a bit, but this still image of this job site gives me a lot. I can see where some of the roads are being roughed in. I can actually see the lines for the buildings that are going to be going in. So this is all getting laid out as well. And so you can actually see those areas and those areas over here. So this single image tells a very big story about where this space is on, what's around it. So we've got Astoria 1 back over here. So this is Astoria 2. Over here, we've got the end of Watson Lake behind all these beautiful willow trees. And you can see that we're also located very close to a golf court in Prescott Lakes Golf Club. So that single image could be enough to tell a very big story until the clients want to move into, heavier topics, doing those orthos, doing those before and afters, doing before and after stills. That's a thing as well. So I'll be setting up some of those here over the next couple weeks, along with our videos, along with our orthomosaics and our 3D models, and probably our panos. And the panos are another pretty simple one as well, but we'll talk about that in an upcoming video. So once again, this single image can hit in many ways as being a deliverable for sites like this and other sites. So don't forget, you've got those single images and you can make use of them and you can tell stories. with a single image as well. All right, everybody, I hope this one was informative and helpful for you, and we'll see you again in the near future. Don't forget to pop by classes.azdrone.net if you're interested in learning more from us and learning with us. You can also pop by our Patreon channel, patreon.com/richcharpentier, and join in the conversation with us. All right, everyone, see you again in the near future. Hope you enjoyed this.